Hi everyone, welcome to Patterns Decoder channel. My channel is about technical analysis, news and reviews on cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple and YGRX WRX token. My interest is to find similar patterns in market and analyze it. Patterns are formed by the psychological behavior between the buyers and sellers. Patterns are everywhere in the universe and nature. We need to understand which one is applicable to us. I believe and study the following theories: Fibonacci ratios, wave theory, and time price analysis. If you are new to my channels, please click on subscribe button for weekly updates on Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, and WRX WRX token.
Hi guys, welcome to weekly update on WRX USDT pairing. Till now we have been compared with WRX USDT with XRP USDT pairing. Let us in this video I am going to compare with the psychology of the market cycle. As I always say that the market runs with the psychologically of buyers and sellers. Let us do the quick update on the cheat code of Wall Street cheat code of psychology of market cycle. I personally believe that in this psychology there are four waves will be formed. That is the reason I have been already done these four waves. This is green first wave, and the blue color is second wave, and the yellow is third, and the final is the fourth, like light yellow color. Let us have it. This entire phase is the first wave. What I am saying here, this till here, and the second, this complacency, anxiety, denial, and panic. This is the second phase, second wave. Second cycle I can say, and the third thing is anger. Anger, this dip you can see now. This is the third cycle, and the final fourth cycle is entire this particular thing, and this is the bottom for any of the market cycle. This it can go downwards also sometimes, but we have to observe how the patterns, how the token or something has been going on. Let us have a quick glance of it, whether it has been happened in the WRX USDT pairing or not. See the first wave, it went straight up. See, it went from the bottom and thing and went up and down. See, and went downwards. And the second thing is, it has been taken so much long time. If you see the length of the thing, how much time it has been taken. See the length of the thing. See, this is the second cycle. And the third cycle, if you see the third cycle, the third wave or something, it is very small thing. See, it is very small. And the fourth cycle, if you can observe it, how the wave has been formed here. See, this is the bottom. That is the reason I am entirely calling from the past few weeks. This is the bottom for WRX USDT pairing, and this is the bottom means the like daily close of WRX USDT pairing, not the slight sparks and night candles. And like, just observe this bottom has not been dipped till now. From the past, when 23rd September, it's almost 1 month from here, it has not been dipped below this point. Okay, so this is the bottom. And what happened next? Just observe this thing. It went up, down, and went sideways. So whether we have to observe this. If you observe this, I am showing it out. It is a wonderful analysis. Just observe the things and understand. I don't need to tell you what will happen next. See, it went up, down, it went up, down, and it went up, down. See, observe this. The same pattern is going. This depression, because now the see the psychology, how the people are all the Indians, because it is not doing anything. There is so much thing going on in the background. I'm not going to talk about the fundamental things, but there are so much news is going on background, that there are things because of this COVID reason they are not unable to marketize the things, but they are doing very well, instead of work from home also. Once the COVID reasons, and they will start they will meetings will be conducted, and so many things they have a plan. But soon we will understand what will happen soon after this COVID, post COVID. But this all the depression, and everybody thinking that this is the bottom and nothing is going on. But see what is going on in the background, the technical things. I clearly, it's like a purely accumulation. The entire thing is on. Let us see how the momentum is going on MACD. If you observe this, that's what I'm saying, it's the bottom for the market. And see that the bullish crossover has been happened here. After that, see the blue line already crossed, and it has not been like crossed below this red line. See this way how it is happening on. This entire accumulation is going on, and its momentum is going on to cross the zero very soon. Once it cross the zero, the bullish momentum will occur anytime from now. See this happen. You can observe this thing. I don't know exact date, 1 or 2 days or 3 days or 4 days or 1 week, but you have to observe the things. It's like it's almost at this point depression zone. Then next the phase is the next step. That's the reason I'm continuously saying we are in a very good zone for WRX USDT pairing. See, it can go like, that is the reason I have been mentioning here. See, just 1 minute. uh, See, these the pink lines, these are the resistance zones which have been observed. So maybe it can go straight up to the previous ATH, because it all depends upon the momentum, and either it can go to from here. Just previously I have been explained this thing, how the wave has been occurred. So it can go from here 2, 3, 4, 5, like here a previous ATH. It can go in this manner also. By December, all things can happen, should happen in the next 40 to 50 days, based upon the timing, because I will depend upon the wave patterns and the timing. Once the timing has been completed, and where it, maybe it can be here the resistance zone, or it can be here, I will take some profits in the short term for the short term trading. For the long term, I am super bullish on WRX USDT pairing. Once the COVID has been over, I think we everybody can observe, and the 2021 end, it can be enormously big. You can see it. I don't want to say what the thing, just because one by step I'm going, and I'm not going to speculate the things. Just the practical things, we have to observe the things, where we are in the market, what can happen as per the technicals and the wave and the momentum. We can see the momentum is very good. Everybody is seeing this, like, see the volatility. The volatility, if you observe, like 5%, 6%, 10% is going on. From here 0.085 to one day it can go to 0.010, 15%, 10%. One day it is volatility is going on. That all the fake sellers or like fiery buyers will go off from here, and only the patient holders can go for the and take the profits. That is my entire point of view. Let us have a quick glance whether it has been happened already in the XRP USDT pairing or not. Let us see here. I previously explained all the things, just I am going to straight to the point. See here, this is the zone. Previously I explained this is the zone, but actually the thing is here. Maybe it has been taken somewhat longer time. So this is the bottom for XRP USDT pairing. The similar pattern, up, down and up. This is the bottom. The same thing has been happening here. If you observe the line chart, you can observe. See, this is the bottom. So what can happen next? I am thinking that it can go like, it can rally from here to November 3rd, and again some dip can happen, and up and down, and again can happen. There are different waveforms will be there. Once we go on happen and time passes, we can observe what things can do and what we can expect. Based on the psychology, it's very clear that we are in a bottom and we are going for the top. This is what I want to show my viewers, and I think you like my video. This will be helpful for all the holders thinking what to do next, what can happen for the WRX USDT pairing, and I think you like my video. And I'm not a financial advisor, and the videos in my channel is not for financial advice. I request you to own millions before investing in any cryptocurrency, crypto exchange, ICO and IVO. I don't take any responsibility for your profit or loss, and I will not be liable in any case. This is for only educational purpose. Invest only the amount which you afford to lose, as crypto is very high volatility market. Follow my Patterns Decoder Twitter account and follow my Telegram channel. Thank you everyone.